in this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to get up to 50% off on Pandora. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch your preferred browser. Now go ahead and type in Pandora discount codes and search for it. Different website links will appear. You can navigate to this one, Coupon Follow, as this is a legit one. Once you're on the website, you can scroll down and browse through these offers. 15% off, 30% off, 50% off, and many more. Select the one that you want to use. So here is the code. You can copy it. Before you use the code, check whether the code is valid or not. Here at the bottom, you're going to find this expiration date. If the code is valid, copy it, then click on Redeem at Pandora. You will be directed to the official website of it. Now here you can provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, you can make your order and proceed to checkout. While you are checking out, you're going to find the section for discount codes. Over there, you can paste the code and redeem it. With that, you're going to get the discount. So that's it. This way, you can easily get up to 50% off on Pandora. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.